Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we click into this review, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Because, unlike this $120 mouse, my content won't make your wallet cry. So, Logitech just dropped the MX Master 4, and the big headline is, it vibrates. Yes, you read that right. Your mouse now has haptic feedback, like a video game controller. Finally, we can feel our spreadsheets. The future is weird, folks. The MX Master 4 keeps the iconic ergonomic shape, but adds customizable haptic feedback for scrolling, navigation, and selection. Perfect for video editing, design, and pretending you're more productive than you actually are. It features an 8K DPI sensor, MagSpeed electromagnetic scroll wheel, and ultra-quiet clicks that won't wake your roommate during late-night work sessions. The new star feature is the Actions Ring, a customizable circular shortcut overlay that pops up at your cursor. Logitech claims it saves up to 33% of your time and reduces repetitive movements by 63%. That's specific. Either they're really confident or their marketing team discovered Excel formulas. Battery life? A whopping 70 days on a single charge. One reviewer used it for 3 weeks and the battery barely budged from 50%. It's like the Energizer Bunny's overachieving cousin. Quick charging gives you 3 hours of use from just 1 minute plugged in. Faster than my phone charges, which feels personally offensive. The downsides? It's heavier at 150 grams, 9 grams more than the MX Master 3S, and Logitech removed the rubber side grips, which some users miss. Also, it's right-handed only. Sorry, lefties, you've been abandoned once again by the mouse industry. At $120, it's premium pricing for a premium mouse, but reviewers universally agree it's still the best productivity mouse available, even if the haptics feel more neat party trick than revolutionary. Bottom line, if you're a productivity nerd, designer, or someone who uses a mouse 8 hours daily, the MX Master 4 is absolutely worth it. If you just browse memes, maybe stick with your $10 office mouse. Now, go click some things.